Officially about to cross Bangalore. Heading almost towards Chennai. We're almost nearby Kanchipuram right now. By the way,
and the captain
on the captain seat. I'm burning the road.
Hey. That's a nice control over the wheels.
We've dropped our sisters at Ambur and finished our dinner also there. Almost nearby.
Focus the airport's signboards.
Now we can see a board of Punamalli, Chennai and all. Yeah. Just started raining, guys.
Okay. City kulla polalla. Seri. Okay. Wow.
Vice captain is on the call.
ఇది మన కార్లోనే వెళ్తాం అది ట్రాఫిక్ ఉండదు ఏమైనా సిటీలో అట్లా ఉంటుంది మన పోలా అన్నా కదా give me the way.
Captain is getting irritated by these two guys by not letting him go. Finally he got through.
These are some and a lot of drizzlings.
Just started drizzling.
We see there could be a heavy rain in Chennai. That's a good sign. This road goes to, I think, Outer Ring Road, right?
That is Kanchipuram.
That's Kanchipuram.
Just crossed that Kanchipuram bypass.
Chennai.
Chennai, we are coming.
So we are welcomed by the rain.
And that's how our vice captain talks to us in Tamil. And he is basically from Chennai.
Oh, from Chennai. Yeah.
The road is not visible at all. It's pouring like anything.
This is co-pilot Alvin speaking and
look at our vice captain's commentary.
Captain is in complete control, so he is taking the complete charge. The temperature outside is around 24 degrees Celsius and we are maintaining inside 18 degrees Celsius. So The parametric pressure, everything is fine. But then as we will be more probably in an altitude of 60 feet from the sea level, as we are heading to
That
Chennai.
guy.
As we are heading to Chennai, so it will be around 4 feet. So pretty well. We are doing good. And we are heading to Chennai. In outskirts, usually it will be heavy rain during this day. Yeah, so far so good. And keep your eyes on the roads.
Just think about it if we have taken our bikes.
Oh yeah, that would be really amazing. That would be really nasty item. Sanmaya Diwali.
Already, we have got a lot of experiences through our vice captain
Oh yeah.
in the past.
So it's like whenever I take my bike, the probability of rain is 90%. So
I would say 99%. There's no bike ride without rain with Arvind. That is with our vice captain.
That's why these people always stay behind and ask me to come in and get bike.
Guys, anyone wants rain in their village or something like that, try taking help from our vice captain. He can get you. Plan a bike ride with it. He can get you a hell lot of rain.
You're telling when I take a bike, you are getting a rain.
Yes.
But now I'm in a car. But why are we getting a rain?
No, but you're there.
This is a twice fence.
Your vibes are.
Why is this more powerful?
Coming.
You mean to say?
Yes, you are powerful.
It's unfortunate, I could say. Yeah. Happy to see it's raining because of whoever
But it was a very good welcome by Chennai. After a long time,
Oh, yeah.
5-6 months that.
Welcome to my show. Singara Chennai.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.